Have you ever wondered why some people who cannot even speak English like you do are getting all the jobs and the clients? My orientation changed the day I read Robert Kiyosaki's book, one of his books. And he told a story in that book how he met a lady who was also an author. The lady told him that, I want to be a best-selling author like you. And Robert Kiyosaki said, let me see your book. And when Robert Kiyosaki went through her book, the content of her book, and lo and behold, the content was superb. And obviously it was supposed to be one of the best-selling books, but she was not selling. It is then I now understood that we have some professionals that are very good at their job, but they are not getting clients, they are not getting jobs. Now, what are the reasons? Like this lady we are talking about, she was very good, but her book was just lying there in the shelf. She was not selling it. And that is how some professionals are. They are very good at their jobs, but they are lying down there on the shelf. Nobody is patronizing them. Nobody is looking at their side. I'm going to be showing you some things that you need to put in place to ensure that you get clients. So far you are good at your job. When you put those things in place, you are guaranteed that you are going to be seeing jobs. Fill in your email address and name to get started. See you there.